How's it going? Welcome to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. Me, I'm pretty excited. We're starting a new build today. Alright, let's get on with it. Here we go. Welcome back. So some of you might remember when I tried to do the 1095 with this kind of steel that has this shiny stuff on it, and it didn't heat treat. But I want to try that test again. I got two pieces here that don't have the shiny stuff in it. So I'm going to make one with a bevel and one without and see how that affects the hamon. Let's get to it. Let me mark these out and do all that, and then on to the drill. Bad news, the karambit won't fit on this piece, so I'm going to have to make this knife. It was basically already drawn on there from the one I sent to Sam at Firekeeper Forge when we did the collab. So I'm just going to make one myself. But I think I'm going to use the karambit for heat treating without the bevel. Okay, at least we'll get the desired effects. And before I forget, shirts, knives, and all my affiliate links are down below. If you click on the affiliate links when you need stuff, like my cameras are up there and some of the knife making tools I use, the channel will get a little kickback and it'll help support. So thank you. On to this build. So I left this big because I'm going to use the hole saw to cut this out, and just in case it shifts a little bit or goes off center, we have plenty of room to move the whole pattern. It's easier to move the pattern than start over, so it's nice to always give yourself plenty of room. To the mill. So I got the karambit clamped to a piece of wood. I got it all squared up, nice and square. So we're good to go, right where I want it. We're just gonna take it nice and slow. Looks like I gotta put a clamp on here since it's bouncing. I thought the 2 would be good enough, but I don't think so. These are another thing you can get on my Amazon affiliate link. Clamp twist, I use them for everything. We're going into the wood, but I got this on parallels too. Let me just get it started, and then we'll oil it up, and then I'm also gonna blow the chips out. Here we go. Oil. We're getting there. And just like that, we're through! Ta-da! Man! Nice and clean! Just like that! Ha ha ha! Whew! Yeah! When I got it all set up, check it out. I got my nifty 50 with the nice sweet bokeh shot. Then I got this arm on here. I always forget I have this clamped to my vise. Get the nice sweet shot. Starting to get this YouTube thing down. Alright, back to the bench. So it's a good thing I always keep a copy. I just glued it on, got it all taken care of. Let's get these 2 cut out. It'll just be a fast time lapse. Here we go. I think I'm just gonna go to the horizontal grinder and grind these out. I'm not gonna do too much back here because I'm not sure what I want to do with it yet. So we'll just get the rest of these two all shaped up on the horizontal. So I think I'm just gonna do a time lapse because basically it's just gonna be me on the horizontal grinder going through everything. So let's give it a try and see what it looks like. You never know till we try, right? To the grinder. Haha, check it out. Locks right in your hand. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Boom. And I cut this back. It was sharp, but I figured I'd flatten. That way you can push your thumb right up against it and gives you pressure and all that. Then there's this. You got this back part that locks your fingers in and boom. Thumb rolls right down on here. Yeah. Can't wait to do these. So let me know in the comments what you think about the time lapse. Because I know sitting there watching me grind is boring, so I'm trying to spice it up and do different things. See what I can do to make it more interesting for you guys. Because sitting there watching someone grind for hours just isn't entertainment. The people that are new it is, which I was thinking about going back and starting, maybe do a couple videos where I just show you how I grind, just short ones, just giving some tips. Because see, that's why I cut it down to 1 minute. You know, what I just did with this setup and getting everything changed in and out and all that was about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. You know, maybe 20 minutes of grinding, but then changing wheels and setting everything up and all that. So I'm trying to figure out the best to make it entertaining for you guys. So let me know in the comments what you think. Should I do the high speed, the time lapse, or just regular speed grinding in short bursts? Let me know. Let me know what you think. Because, you know, I speed it up so that way it's usually 4 or 5 times faster when I grind. Then I just cut a whole bunch of it out. And then we'll see what this time lapse is like. Alright, so I think that's about it. Enough ranting and raving. But I am curious to know what you guys want to see. Thanks for watching. It'll be interesting to see what we do with these new builds. Alright, like, comment, subscribe. Shirts, knives, all my affiliate links in the links below. Hope you're having a great day, and as always, take it easy.